Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Brother printer to your Wi-Fi network. Getting your printer online wirelessly allows for convenient printing from multiple devices without the hassle of cables. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth setup experience. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to print wirelessly from your computer, smartphone, or tablet with ease, making your printing tasks much more flexible and efficient. Let's get started. Before we begin, ensure your Brother printer is powered on and near your wireless router for a strong signal. Next, locate your Wi-Fi network name, or SSID, and its password. These are crucial. Finally, confirm the device you're using for setup, like a computer or smartphone, is already connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This ensures seamless communication during the process. Having these details ready will make your setup much smoother and quicker, getting you closer to wireless printing. Let's prepare everything before moving on to the connection steps. Now let's connect your printer. Most Brother models allow direct connection via their control panel. Navigate to Network or Wi-Fi settings, then select Setup Wizard. Your printer will scan for networks, choose yours and enter the password. Alternatively, if your router supports Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS, simply press the WPS button on your router. Then, follow the prompts on your printer's display to connect automatically. Both methods are straightforward and effective for getting your printer online quickly, giving you the flexibility of wireless printing. Once connected, it's time to test. From your computer or mobile device, try printing a test page. If it prints successfully, your Brother printer is now wirelessly connected. If issues arise, don't worry. First, restart both your printer and wireless router. Double-check your Wi-Fi network selection and password for accuracy. If problems persist, ensure your printer drivers are up to date. These simple troubleshooting steps often resolve most connection difficulties, getting you back to seamless wireless printing quickly and efficiently. You'll be printing in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.